Good morning student. Today I have to perform experiment to verify the law of combination, that is parallel series combination. So in this particular experiment we have to do same work, but we have to take care of orientation of these resistances. We have to arrange resistances in parallel. This is my resistance of 12 ohm and this is my resistance of 6 ohm. And as you know, in parallel combination we have to connect negative of the one resistance to the negative of other resistance and positive of one resistance to the positive of other resistance, and I have to connect positive of one end of this resistance to this meter bridge and negative to the other. So rest of the connection are same. So positive side of battery to this side of meter bridge and negative side of battery to this side of meter bridge. I have to connect negative of galvanometer to the meter bridge and positive to the jockey, and I have to connect resistance boxes to this end. So now I have do again same work. I have to move this jockey over this wire and check at what particular point I get null deflection. First of all, I have to check my connection are accurate or not. Let's start this, and I am taking 2 volt on battery. So let's check. I am placing jockey to the initial point and see deflection of galvanometer is towards the positive end of the galvanometer, and now I am going to place jockey to the negative side of meter bridge and see deflection is towards the negative side of galvanometer. That means our connection are perfectly okay. Now we can start doing work with this particular experiment. I am taking resistance of 20 ohm from the resistance box. Now I am moving this jockey on over this wire. See, you have to note down at what particular point I get null deflection over this galvanometer. See, it's moving towards 0. Now I have to be very careful to check this particular value. So this is 66.5. At this particular point I am getting 0 deflection. So this is my L point. AD is 66.5 and remaining is 100 minus L. So our formula is basically same. R is equals to 100 minus L by L multiplied by R. R is the resistance from the particular resistance box. L is that in particular our case is 66.5 and this L is also 66.5. So you have to check and fill these values over here. You can use R1 and R2 value from the previous experiment. You just have to check this R1 and R2 in parallel combination and put your values here. See, you get any experimental value with this apparatus. So you have to put that value and you have to check theoretically as well. This is 12 ohm resistant and this is 6 ohm resistant. So you can also get theoretical value and you have to find out difference and what is the error, percentage error between these two values. So in result you have to put experimental value of parallel combination of resistances and percentage error. Thank you.